Is your Ninja Creamy ice cream rock hard or melting way too fast? If the texture isn't quite right, here's how to fix both problems with simple adjustments. Step 1. Use more fat for a softer, stable texture. Low fat or low sugar bases freeze harder and melt fast. Use whole milk, heavy cream, or full fat yogurt for better scoopability. Step 2. Add stabilizers to your mix. Ingredients like cream cheese, bananas, or cornstarch help control ice crystals. Even a pinch of xanthan gum or gelatin can dramatically improve stability. Step 3. Let the pint freeze for 24 hours before spinning. Underfrozen bases can turn soft and melt fast after spinning. Freezing fully ensures the creamy processes it correctly. Step 4. Avoid overfilling the pint. Too much base can cause uneven freezing, which leads to hard spots or soupy patches. Always stay at or below the fill line. Step 5. Store the pint upright and airtight after spinning. If you're saving leftovers, smooth the top, reseal tightly, and store flat. Exposure to air or improper angle can lead to hard, icy textures next time. Still having texture issues? Try tweaking the sugar or dairy ratios in your base. Or check the freezer temperature. Ideal is 0 Fahrenheit or minus 18 Celsius. Support link is in the description if your creamy isn't processing right. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next perfect pint.